I'm cooking noodles in this sandal. I don't have any good utensils.
Oh, Grandma, what are you doing? Who eats from a shoe? Eat from a proper plate. You're being foolish.
Move away.
I have to do something. My brother told Grandma to use a proper plate, but her mental balance is a bit off. That's why she's doing this. Now I'll make her a nice wooden utensil. No matter what, she's my grandma and I love her. Friends, take care of your elderly family members. Do you love your grandma? If you love your grandma, please like and subscribe and comment, I love Grandma. Let's see who loves their grandma the most. The utensil is ready. Let's give it to Grandma. Here, Grandma, your lovely wooden utensil.
This is amazing. So beautiful.